Outsourcing accounting services you can trust.
Hi, this is Manish, Director Mindspace Outsourcing Services. We look forward to welcome you at Accountex 2022.
Hi, this is Kshitij Jain. I am Director Operations, Mindspace Outsourcing. We are showcasing ourselves for the third time at Accountex 2022.
We look forward to welcome you at Stand 310 Accountex 2022 on 11th and 12th May.
We've been helping UK practices since last 12 years and come over and meet us. We can help you and demonstrate our capabilities and help you reduce your costs to more than 60%. So look forward to meet you at Stand 310 on 11th and 12th of May at Excel at Accountex. Cheers.
Cheers.